Hi viewers, welcome to Priya Talks. Today I am back with another interesting science video, that is solar system and planets. If we talk about science, science is a systematic and logical study towards how the universe works. Science is one of the greatest blessings to the mankind. So let's get into the video. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and objects that revolves around it. The sun is orbited by planets, asteroids, comets and some other universal things. The solar system is about 4.6 billion years old. It formed by gravity in a large molecular cloud. The sun is a star who is the main character in the solar system. Sun contains 99.9% of solar system's mass. This means that it has strong gravity. The sun is mostly made out of hydrogen and some helium and higher elements. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets are divided into 2 groups depending upon their texture and composition of the planet. They are divided into terrestrial planets and gas giants. The first 4 planets from the sun are called terrestrial planets. They are mostly made of rock and metal, and terrestrial planets are mostly solid in texture. The last 4 planets are called gas giants. This is because they are much larger than other planets and are mostly made of gas. The first planet from the sun is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is also the fast planet, zipping around the sun every 88 Earth days. Mercury is a rocky planet which has no moons. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus has named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. In many ways, Venus is a twin to our own Earth. Venus has nearly the same size and mass as Earth, but the thick atmospheres hot enough to melt lead. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the sun. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Venus also has no moons like Mercury. This is all about the Venus, and the next planet is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun, and Earth is the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. This is because the Earth is at the right distance from the sun so that our planet doesn't get too hot or too cold. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. The Earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Earth has one moon, that is the moon. This is all about the Earth, and our next planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and this planet is much smaller and older than the Earth. Temperatures on Mars can rise up to 20 degrees Celsius but dip down to minus 140 degrees Celsius in the northern winters. Mars is also known as rusty planet or red planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize, causing the planet to look red. Mars is thought to be the best planet for life elsewhere in the solar system. Mars has two small asteroid-shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos. This is all about Mars, and our next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has a much mass as 2.5 times all the rest of the planets combined. Its mass is almost made of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Jupiter has a ring system of its own. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. Jupiter has 67 moons. This is all about the Jupiter, and our next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is well known for its beautiful system of icy rings. Saturn is also as large as Jupiter, but it has a very low density. Saturn is named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture. The Romans named the seventh day of the week as Saturday. Saturn's interior is most likely composed of a core of iron, nickel, and silicon and oxygen compounds. Saturn has 82 moons. So this is all about Saturn, and our next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of sky, Uranus. Uranus has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus is similar in composition to Neptune, and both have bulk chemical compositions which differ from other gas giants. For this reason, scientists often classify Uranus and Neptune as ice giants to distinguish them from the other giant planets. Uranus has the coldest atmosphere in the solar system with a minimum temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius. Uranus has 27 moons. This is all about Uranus, and our next planet is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. Neptune is the fourth largest planet by diameter and third most massive planet in the solar system. Neptune is the smallest of the gas giants. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. This is all about our 8 planets, and we have some dwarf planets in our solar system. For example, Pluto and Eris. Earlier, Pluto is considered as a planet, but Pluto isn't a planet anymore. Pluto is now just a dwarf planet. Eris. Eris is also a dwarf planet in the solar system. Eris was only discovered back in 2003. In fact, it was because of Eris the astronomers decided to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet. This is overall criteria about our solar system and planets. Hope this information helps you in understanding our solar system. If you like the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe Priya Talks. Thank you.